How to add or remove page break lines in Excel. Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to add or remove page break lines in Excel, so your search ends here. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can add or remove page break lines in Excel in just some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. How to add page break lines in Excel. In your spreadsheet, click the View ribbon. You should see buttons for 4 different view options: Normal, Page Break Preview, Page Layout, and Custom Views. To see where your page breaks are going to be, click Page Break Preview. Now, you'll see where your page breaks are by a thick blue dotted line. Each page will have its number displayed faintly in the background. Bear in mind these blue lines and the page number markers won't display when you print. They're just present as a visualization to help you understand how your spreadsheet will look on paper. Method 2. How to remove page break lines from view in Excel. If you find these lines distracting, it's easy to hide them until you need to see them again. Click the View ribbon. From the View buttons, choose Normal one of your custom views, if appropriate. That's it. The blue page break lines disappear, but you can easily recall them when you need to see how your data will print. By using this method, you can easily add or remove page break lines in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.